This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download VLC Media Player. Now, VLC Media Player, I've used it for years on lots of different platforms. It's great for playing media of all kinds. There's not much that it doesn't actually play. You'll struggle really to find something like a codec or something that doesn't work with it. It's a really good piece of software and it's free. So the downloads page, I'm right here on the main downloads page. It's a bit of a mouthful, images.videolan.org/VLC. Now I will, because that's a bit of a mouthful, I'll put that URL as a link in the video description. So you can just click on that link and you can wind up here, right here on the downloads page. Now it will identify what operating system you have. It has correctly identified I have Mac OS, Apple Silicon, so I can just literally click this download button right here. If you're with Windows, it will know that you're with Windows, but if not, if you want a different version, you can click right here for the Windows version. They've got a Linux version and so on and so forth. There's an iOS version there as well. You just click on these. There's the Android version, that is actually the Mac OS version right there. So you can pick your poison here. I will just click on this big download a VLC orange button right here. Will now be redirected. And if that doesn't automatically download, you can see the icon just flew up there. It's the universal symbol on a Mac that it has in fact downloaded something. If it doesn't automatically download, then you can click this this button here as it indicates. It's free, but you can donate, and I recommend donating if you like the software. From here, you just need to install the downloader from your downloads location. Downloads location is set by your browser. You should know what your downloads location is. For example, I'm on Google Chrome on this Mac, like I say, and my main downloads location is just the main downloads folder. So your downloads location might be different to mine, is the point I'm making here, but you will just install the installer from there. That's the straightforward bit. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download VLC Media Player useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like